Hey everyone, today we're checking out something really cool from Sarge. It's a full Tang semi-skimmer custom knife kit, model SK-907KIT. This woodworking kit gives you the core items you need to assemble your very own knife while supplying your own wood of choice. Packed right in the clamshell, you'll receive all the necessities needed for this project, including a full Tang 440C stainless steel blade, 2 aluminum pins, and a leather sheath. The full Tang blade is made from 440C stainless steel, so it's sharp, durable, and perfect for everyday carry. And it measures at 7 1/4 inch overall and leaves 3 1/8 inch blade when completed. This kit does not include the handle material, and that's what makes it such a custom item. You get to choose what type of wood or other material to build this knife to make it truly yours while having the durability and quality of a Sarge knife. To complete this DIY project, you will need to separately purchase knife scales for the handle, whether online or at your local woodworking shop. To give you some inspiration, I have a few finished knives to show you. You can use a traditional wood like a walnut or a maple, or even an exotic wood like a maple burl or a zebra wood. Either one, make it yours. So whether you're into DIY projects, woodworking, crafting, or looking for a unique gift, the Sarge Full Tang Semi-Skinner Custom Knife Kit delivers a great hands-on experience with pro-level results. Check it out and start building your own today. Also, check out more from Sarge knives, leather, and gifts for all of life's adventures.